Yeah, yeah, it's pretty crazy. Happy Memorial Day, pretty crazy out there. At least, like from what I've seen on the topic of Disneyland and Disney Splash Mountain, as it is closing. I believe tomorrow, the 30th, is the last day, but it could be mistaken. Could be mistaken. Um, yeah, a lot of memories. They're getting evicted. The Bears are getting evicted. That already happened at Disney World. Already happened at Disney World, and just get an idea. Once again, the crowds were looking at. I retweeted this image here. Nice crowds, nice crowds. But on the topic of rides, I would kind of just flashed on those of you that may not be aware of Pirates of the Caribbean Shanghai, as it is pretty new. That park is relatively new, and I think that ride opened right before the pandemic. There's still a lot of travel restrictions, so a lot of people have yet to experience Pirates of the Caribbean. It's completely different from all the other versions or the original. Let's see if we can find a way to see it here. Eh, All right, Attractions 360 does a good job, but let's give some views to, man, millions of views these channels have. 10-minute attraction. Let's do this one. Let me just make sure. Yep, and sure enough, I'm didn't have the right channel on. Let's move you over here. There we go. Maybe I should make myself a little smaller. All right, yeah, it's pretty amazing actually, though. Be a bucket list. This would be the other Disneyland that I'd be interested in seeing. The most interesting Disneyland. Of course, I haven't been to Disney World yet, but hope that sounds okay. Pretty cool queue. See nobody there. Awesome. Very cool. I think it would be the most different Disney experience. Most unique Disney park. What's that too? It's definitely a lot more movie-based other way around as opposed to the Disneyland and the original versions being designed way before. So that's where Blue Bayou would be. That's where a restaurant, you know. This part's a little bit, I think Blue Bayou is a little cooler looking. It's a little bigger too. I think that whole area is just overall bigger, but this is. It's a lot to get used to with the Chinese. So different. But it's all different. It's all like, whoa. Really different. Like Rise of the Resistance calendar. Obviously you can see right away what we have. All the scenes are backwards. But then it just drastically changes. Sorry, I'll shut up. 我们就去抢传说中最庞大的财宝——戴维·琼斯的沉落宝藏。小心点，老伙计们！黑暗的风暴正在酝酿中，万事难料。哦，我真是太了不起了！哈哈，来得正好，我忠诚的船员们，在下 Jack Sparrow 船长为您效劳。 我们现在就去抢 David Jones 的沉落宝藏。对了，我一直在说你。其实是你们。下去吧。Disneyland Shanghai. Look, you don't do this. This don't happen. The water's not open. As much as it is for functionality purposes, it's like just really amazing. I think projections are great. Projections are a great use of technology and great technology. Efficient and efficient and just effective. So cool. This has to be the best, the most amazing Disney ride. So now you gotta go out. It's nuts. It's just like another level. It just keeps on going. Epic tripping. Epic tripping. This scene is gorgeous. Look at this. You're rolling through the back of like this ship. Pirate ship is just kind of rolling and just with his organs. It's just beautiful. It's just so well designed. I've watched this thing probably 50 times throughout the last 2 years. I'm amazed every time. It's on the runway railway kind of file. I like to, because obviously Mickey's runway railway is very projection based. They do it very well. This is like half projection based. This is just amazing. And then just the technology behind how it pushes you through the showrooms. Very effective. You're just zigzagging through. Very efficient use of show building. Very effective. And just look at this. This is amazing. It reminds me of the AT-ATs and NNs. And the Rise of the Resistance. Kind of that caliber. Obviously the projections are very similar to Stormtrooper. Just absolutely stunning. The colors. I mean, could we ever get this version? Maybe Disney World would be amazing. We gotta leave Disneyland alone. I think it's never changed Disneyland's original. I could see Disney World. Let's do it. Wow. This has to be the best Disney ride ever. This is alright, it's okay. It's just a struggle to get everybody to kind of understand what's going on. Like, I feel like if I took my dad on Rise of the Resistance, he wouldn't really know what's going on. This is just, it's pirate. Even with the broke language barrier, but an English version would be amazing. I think this ride's like the most expensive ride too. It's so the most it's like, how much would this ride cost? The most expensive. What's the most expensive Disney ride? Yeah, that was. I'll finish it off here. I would put it on this, but most expensive is Disneyland ride. No, maybe they're not. The 10 most expensive rides ever built at Disney World. Nah, but I want to know. Let's just, how much did Pirates ride Shanghai cost? So that attraction is called Pirates of the Caribbean Battle for the Sunken Treasure, just to be perfectly, but that's just going to be known as the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, obviously, but it's technically called the Battle for the Sunken Treasure. $450 million for that attraction. $450 million. So if we go back to a bit, well, most expensive Walt Disney attraction. Okay, let's just kind of look just for Disney World, just to get a. Say Space Mountain was 18 million. Not even close. Not even close. Not even close. So Tower 140 million. Okay, we're getting up there now by Chevy. Test Track 300 million. Pandora. Okay. Now that's the world of Avatar. Is that the whole? Not all attractions are simply rides, but rather immersive experiences. So this is the whole land. It has to be. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, 1 billion. That's the whole land. That doesn't count. Oh, for instance, how much what was the cost of Rise of the Resistance? So 450 million is the price for a premium Disneyland attraction. It looks like. But perhaps in China, with the technology and being close to a lot of manufacturing, that attraction over here could be double the price, things like that to consider. But anyway, I'm going to wrap this up. Thanks so much for watching Memorial Day, a little stream here, and a little video to consider as Splash Mountain is closing. It did remind me of other rides around the world and things that I do wish to see one of these days. Shanghai Disney. However, I am close to Disneyland, and I have a magic key. I should have been there today or tomorrow. I just didn't plan things accordingly. I can't wait till the reservation systems are done. Man, those were the days. But anyway, have a great one. Thanks so much. And please leave a like, comment, and look at those crowds. That'd be fun. I'd just be sitting posted up somewhere back there with my camera. Anyway, later.